In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use voice chat in Battlefield 2042 Crossplay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly enable voice chat, choose your channel, and adjust the microphone settings. So, voice chat was added after a certain update in Battlefield 2042, and it needs to be enabled from the get-go. So, to my knowledge, by default, it isn't going to be enabled. So, to find the voice chat option, all that you have to do is from the lobby or from the home screen, go over to the settings. Inside of the settings, switch over to the audio tab or sound. So as you can see here at the top of the screen, between display and controllers, go over to sound and switch from the audio category to voice chat. And the first two options are going to be what you are looking for. So you will be able to enable voice chat. So make sure that this option is set to on to actually enable the voice chat capabilities, and afterwards you can customize the channel. So you can change the channel between squad or party, whatever you prefer. Squad is more recommended if you want a more immersive experience and you are able to listen to them around you, or you can set it to party only, which is a little bit more limited. And once these settings are properly selected here, you will be good to go. You can now get inside of the game, and depending on the settings that you have for your microphone and the keys, if you have push to talk, for example, you will be able to use it. Now, Battlefield 2042 offers different voice channels like squad or team chat like I mentioned, and you can switch between them to talk to specific groups. And as long as your microphone is connected and properly detected by your console or PC, you will be good to go. If you are having trouble or the option is grayed out inside of the game, it could be attributed to settings outside of Battlefield 2042. So double check the microphone settings, the communication settings on your device, and afterwards, it shouldn't be grayed out anymore. I hope I was able to help you on how to use voice chat in Battlefield 2042 Crossplay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.